Environment Coordination Committee haka khat santre unok pra arjar puar kalau penlong da kajingat pat ba ban persya ya kajingle bam sutnyo ke Sorkar jela ban pentri kam ya hukum ke National Green Tribunal NGT kata ban khang mardor ya kikar khana sanrenga do yong coke factory bean ha Elaka Sutnga East Giant Hills District. Kani kajingat pat ba kala sedang na shikilo lat Sutnga hadu ka pelau DC office cleariat bat lawan banesya mentaru da kinong snong na keleng kisnong ki baha papo ke Elaka Sutnga. Kipat ba kila perta penram ya ke Sorkar ke balek kuman ban khang ya kini ki karkhana sanrenga do yong bean lani ki coke factory ki bal penmi ikil air jaklia ke besyar kai ke bakta ya ka kot ka khia unong snong. Hadirin kajingat pat ba kala donru kajingalang melingkot bala penyat do President ke Environment Coordination Committee uba never lamurong bat kijing kren na ki wahet snong bukan thup yo wahet snong kalela u enel bare wahet snong jong nong sning u lambha dhar wahet snong narwan u lamsok langstang bat no legal advisor u reading war nalor ki we ke Environment Coordination Committee kala IT ru ya ka dorkas how Deputy Commissioner Abilash Bharanwal ban Dawa pendam ya ki khat sautri ki karkhana bat nakal yang udisi ulo kentui ki nong snong ke Elaka ban yaisha hadu ka ar tarek uno pra arjar puar
ini por wadep le rally ini to asin awale asin wa ar phoni bruma ne tunta wa pair yong ari India kham tamapot Meghalaya ongi wa asin nong kong wuyui mana ni issue kok to mana general issue wa to abon inte ru participate harali nga kerpa di woro kuble le thapti lang ling the yong khon Elaka wa prasan do so jang tho yong woro ding thapti wa he tam ani penyo nga pusona semen to ani jing penyo wa the pli kizo tho wa nong kha nong pun ya jing yong alawe yong khon yong ki yusoromi wa to sino kirang ba sunrang yong Elaka yong ikhi the na hab khon na ang ki hyung hab Atiar thak isai hyung will ni sro ani penyo wa ya jing sakhiat jing kle la jing lorong ba ha jing mut jum khat yong the po Elaka Sutnga yong Niti daw ngam sin yonga ngadak oda mesin was nyolung hawa yoin the yong khone Elaka yong waki poi emajing kle yong ki nimta khone su miao yong ki nimta yong mestet aman devi yong ki action plan to pendek no ke Sorkar ka kam NGT na nek jing bicar yong NGT ongo wa hapok so benai to pendek ke government upendep no ke action plan no kriya ngane penduk no ya kini ke ko plan ketika subnai kut ko pra November Henry ke government jugo ngai pi kam kimarat leni jugo kam kitku de daw hem kiaga tak wa do wa ke high court chimnyo garai ongo wa ke state government mem jing kiaga ini daw import no ka hadu ar ki sumba upendep no ya action plan ni de daw wa kerpat ECC hak ar tarik di sembar ladam keno action yang nong government kerpat si to open yai le pun manu ya ai to chispa subuso yo ka si RKC wa ukhang ne ukem no bi ko plan yo pun khat o klem khang hapo hadin ar tarik di sembar ya it is not a request. I know, sir, you as a person we respect you, but in your office we will respect as if you fail to protect the life of the people in East Giant Hills District. The Honorable High Court of Meghalaya have given a direction to the state government to implement the action plan within the 22nd of December 2022, and we request you even towards the end of the memorandum. We have written there. We request. It is a demand that you have to implement Section 144 for the operation of coke plant if they operate after the 22nd of December. This is a demand, and sir, if nothing is done beyond the 22nd of December, I think the people, they should take all the necessary action in their hand. This is all assurance. Either you give out assurance to implement Section 144, or we should take their action. We should take necessary action on our own hand. That is the demand and that is the voice of the people from the district.
So, as bar reading, you are already aware and you have informed the people that the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya has given although I have not got the verdict, but then as per the memorandum, so basically, as what bar reading is saying is that the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya has given certain directions to the government to implement certain previous rulings by 22nd of December. So let's wait till 22nd of December. I hope that this will come to a peaceful resolution. And my only request to everyone is to kindly have faith in the process of law, due process of law. And if you guys have been able to persist for so long, let's not lose the confidence on the due process of law on the government. Please have more patience. I believe that by 22nd of December, there will be some sort of resolution to this. Otherwise, we can always discuss, as in like, I hope that it will be something which will be resolved by 22nd of December. Let's wait for that. Okay?